Hey guys, this is Ed Choi. On today's episode, we're going to be doing a command makeover in my sanctuary, a place I like to call my second home, a place that makes me feel great, my gym. But before we begin, squeeze in a quick workout. Hello everyone, we're here with none other than Mr. Mark McClure. He is my cross-training coach. He's my professor in jiu-jitsu, owner of Athletes Arena, and all-around stand-up guy.
Awesome, thank you, Ed. Thanks for
Mark.
coming today.
Thanks for letting us in. So why don't you tell me a little bit about the gym?
Athletes Arena is a strength and conditioning facility located in Maple Ridge. We provide group training classes for kids, adults, seniors. We have Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu upstairs. I'm also a Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu black belt. We take a holistic approach to training. We make you stronger, more mobile, improve your cardiovascular health, but we also counsel people on their hormones, their sleep, their diet, managing stress levels.
Awesome. Well, you guys have done so much for me and my family. I feel like I need to give back a little bit. So today what we're going to do, I was planning on doing a command makeover.
That's great. I have a lot of, like a lot of guys, I have a lot of ladies in my life that help remind me to do things and keep me straight, and now I've got you to help me out too. So welcome to Team Mark McClure.
Oh, there we go.
You're going to help me get my life
Well,
together.
you're helping me. I'm going to help you today.
Awesome. That's
All right,
great.
let's do this. All right, so while Mark's gone, let's walk around the gym and see different areas where we can use the command products. These are the cleaners that we use just to wash down the equipment. So right here next to the paper towel holder, what we'll do is we'll hang that there. So again, it's organized and people know to take the cleaner and the paper towel to clean down their equipment. Lovely bathroom. So in the bathroom here, this might be a good spot right over here just to hang a little sponge caddy. So upstairs is where all the jiu-jitsu happens. But if you look behind me, see that empty space? Let's see if you can have a better look at it. See that empty space right there? That empty space, then what we're gonna do is we're gonna hang up all these gis. These are the uniforms that we use for jiu-jitsu, but rather than them hanging on the banister, what we'll do is we'll hang them up on the wall, and I think that'll look great. There's another spray bottle down there too, so we'll see if we can hang up that spray bottle and get that organized. So let's get to it and see what happens. So Mark, last time you were here, we were talking about doing a command makeover.
That's right.
And I spent a little bit of time walking around the gym and seeing some areas, and we did a walkthrough.
Right.
And I want to get your thoughts.
First, good to see you again. Thank you very much. We have a lot of people and we have a limited amount of space. So organization, clutter is a big issue for us. We've got a lot of equipment and a lot of people. And so you went through and you organized a few areas for us, and at first glance it may not seem like it would have made much of a difference, but it really did. One of my favorite expressions is small hinges swing big doors. And for me that just means little things can have a big impact. Adding a hook here or organizing an area there doesn't seem like it would make a big difference, but it really does. Because like I said, every little bit counts. So you did some stuff upstairs for us, made a big difference. A few things down here, made small but important changes down here, so we really appreciate it.
Excellent. And what's your favorite command product?
It's hard to say. Everything has helped in its own way, but I guess if I had to pick one thing that off the top of my head that I like the best, I think it would be the bottle holder. We use a lot of cleaning products here, and we have some shared bottles that we use. If you're finished with a bench or a kettlebell or a yoga mat, you give it a quick spray down. Cleanliness is important, of course, and it's very easy for those things to get misplaced. Could be stuck on a shelf or behind something or in a cubby. Having one spot for that is a big time saver, not so much for the people that use it, but for the people that interrupt me to ask me where the bottle is. Mm-hmm. So that's made a big difference for me, and I appreciate it. If someone needs a spray bottle and they want to clean a piece of equipment off afterwards, now they know where to look.
Awesome. And I noticed that there's a message board that was hanging on your thermostat.
That's right.
For the longest time.
That's
and
right.
I was looking for a place for it.
So
I thought it was magically levitating.
No, that is held up there by sheer willpower. And so you're right, it was just sitting on top of a thermostat. And so instead of putting a hole in the wall or putting a hole in the board, or it was on my to-do list, okay, from like 2016, but you got to it before I did, so I appreciate that. Yeah, we got it done. We did it.
Awesome. So, well, thank you so much for letting me in and doing this whole makeover. It was a lot of fun. And
you bet. We appreciate it. Thank you, Ed.
No problem.
All right.
Well, thanks a lot, guys, for tuning in. Mark McClure, Athletes Arena, our Command Makeover.
Thanks, Ed.
No problem.